Hi guys, welcome back to my vlog. My name is Carlos Sondra and this channel is all about sneakers. And for today's video, pupunta tayo sa Marikina RIVERBANK to check out yung mga Nike and Adidas outlet stores, and then we'll find out if meron ng mga steals na pwede nating bilhin or something that I can recommend for you to buy. So if that's something that you're interested with, let's go! If you haven't subscribed yet to this channel, please consider subscribing. Dito nagkakaroon tayo ng ilang mga or iba-ibang mga sneaker reviews, sneaker contents na ginagawa natin, either sneaker shopping, sneaker reviews, sneaker cleaning, and anything about sneakers. And another reason for you to subscribe is magkakaroon tayo this time ng giveaway. So we will be giving away yung earbuds or earpod na I was able to get from Smart as a freebie. So it's been selling for I think around 1,000 or so in Philippine peso. So we'll be giving that away. Yung mechanics will be flash siguro on your screen or ilalagay ko na lang sa comment section. Please make sure to watch the video till the very end of this video, and then later on makikita nyo yung mechanics. So once again, give this video a like, share it to your friends para mas marami pa tayong magawang mga video. And then let's get to the content itself. that's gonna be it for today's video. I hope na meron kayong natutunan and I hope that you enjoy watching this video. Sana meron kayong nakitang mga steals na pwede nyong bilhin with the outlet store na pinuntahan natin. We'll try to check out yung iba pang mga outlet store sa Pilipinas para makita din natin and maipakita ko sa inyo ano ba yung mga available na mga sizes, ano ba yung mga available na mga silhouettes and colorways that you can buy at a steal price or a discounted price. So when it comes to this kind of brand, for me it's also a good thing that we're investing in this quality kind of sneaker. Investment not in a sense na you're gonna buy some sneakers, hold it for a while and then resell it later for a higher value. Pero investment in a sense if you're an athlete, for example, or if you are into sports. If this is something that will help you na to have a better performance, alam mo yun, dahil may okay na cushioning, mas okay yung parang comfort niya, stability nung sneaker kapag nag-workout ka, then this is a good investment. Or if you're just someone na alam mo, you think gagamitin mo to sa office kapag okay na yung lahat, kapag bumalik na lahat sa normal, or just an everyday use na casual sneaker, then this is gonna be helpful. I tell you, matagal to, quality kind of sneaker, and then matibay talaga. Or for some people, it also works yung talagang i-resell lang nila. Makukuha nila ng mura, i-resell nila. That's also part of investment. But anyway, I would always recommend to buy legit and quality kind of sneaker instead of investing or buying yung mga fakes, because sometimes or most of the time itong mga fake sneakers na binibili natin, naging nagastusan din natin ng mga worth 2,500, 3,000, 2,000, 1,500. I mean, it's a good design. Siguro, especially if they're just trying to copy the design ng mga original designer or brand na pinoproduce na mga sneaker. Pero when it comes to quality, hindi kasi talaga yun tumatagal. Katulad nitong mga legit sneakers na to. I know someone, he bought a sneaker, Nike sneaker, maganda yung design. He spent like 2,500, pero parang after few months, sira na agad. Okay, I remember nung bumibili pa ako ng mga sales talaga na mga Vans, and then na yun talaga ginagamit ko araw-araw. Maabot siya ng 2 o 3 taon nung estudyante ako. So I still remember yung mga ganong klaseng experiences na meron ako. So again, please buy legit sneakers. Syempre, we're not gonna end this vlog ng ganun-ganun lang. This time, we'll be giving the mechanics on how you will win yung earbuds or earpods, kung ano man tawag doon, na ipaparaffle natin for this channel. So, of course, number 1 is you subscribe to this channel. Number 2 is give this video a like. Comment down below kung ano pa yung mga gusto nyong outlet na puntahan natin or any sneaker store that you want to check out within the Metro Manila, or siguro kahit outside the Metro Manila. We'll try to do that. Just comment in the link section, and then like my Instagram or follow my Instagram account, Classic World, and then my Facebook account na ilalagay ko rin sa baba. And then lastly, you share the video either your Instagram stories, Facebook stories, and then or sa mga Facebook walls ninyo. So if that's something that you were able to do, ira-raffle natin to siguro after a week or 2, and then we'll check out who will be the winner. So ipopost ko na lang din sa social media accounts natin. So good luck to you guys.